Hi there. This video is going to give you a tour of Aurora's commercial autofill capabilities. Please note that you need an engineering license with Aurora to use these features. You can use the commercial autofill and auto design capabilities on any type of roof, of any size, but it's designed to function best on larger commercial rooftops. In this video, I'm going to focus on this roof here, a long and thin flat roof. Let's take a minute to go over the available features. After running the autofill command like normal, if you have an engineering license, you can now click on Show Advanced Options. Here, the DC to AC ratio controls the amount of DC power the inverter can accept. This is a region and design-specific parameter. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions about how to use this. In a similar fashion to the DC to AC ratio, the overcurrent ratio controls the amount of input current the inverter can accept. Then, in the following three fields, you can select combinations of combiner boxes, recombiner boxes, and load centers. Note that you must input and star these components in the Balance of Systems section of your database. Lastly, to complete an east-west, or otherwise known as sawtooth layout, you can set the fill mode to sawtooth in combination with Aurora's compound tilt functionality. For our first example, let's select some 310 watt modules, a large inverter, how about a 225 kilowatt unit, and I'm going to set the DC to AC ratio to 1.3, the overcurrent ratio to 1.2, choose a 6-string combiner box, and a 200 amp recombiner box. I'm also going to set the module orientation to landscape with a 10-degree tilt and a 1.5 foot row spacing. After clicking OK and selecting my roof plane, let's examine the results. Notice how it has auto-designed the entire system with the stringing and the components selected. You see that it's placed an inverter, combiner boxes, and recombiner boxes, and automatically completed the stringing. If we click on the Components section, we can more easily see what has actually been designed. Again, notice we've automatically created sets of strings into our combiner boxes, into our recombiner boxes, and lastly, into the inverter itself. Going back into the layout view, I'll type Control-A to select all, then delete, and let's take a look at another example. Running the autofill command, I'm now going to select SMA tri-power units, with no recombiners, and just regular 6-string combiner boxes as we had before. Clicking OK and completing the same layout will automatically connect up the entire system. Notice now how we lay out multiple smaller units, still with combiner boxes and auto stringing. We can check out the 3D visualization of this design by clicking on 3D visualization . Notice how the modules have a 15-degree tilt to the and a 1.5 foot row spacing. We can check out the Components section by clicking on Components, and you'll see a new design based on the parameters that we've specified. The Commercial Auto Designer is very flexible and will allow you to adjust many parameters pertaining to commercial design. There's a document in the Resources section of Aurora which describes the functionality in more detail and what to do if your design doesn't look the way you expect. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching. Please reach out to support@aurorasolar.com with any questions. Have a great day.